Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is B and this is B's Beauty. Today you can sit back and relax because I'm going to give you a quick explanation on how this Dofi boat ride experience is, how much it costs, and obviously is it worth it. Now you can get the first stop at Calella. I'm actually going to leave everything down on the description box for you to read if you like to check them out, but you can start from Calella or any stop after that. Make sure you stand in the middle of these little yellow cones because those are the ones that the boat basically sits on and comes and picks you up. You're going to find a bar in the boat, and I'm going to tell you right now, you better take some cash on you, honey, because they do not accept credit cards of any type, nor transfers, so don't even think about it. I had to learn it the hard way because it does take about 3.5 hours to get to land, and you will get thirsty since it's quite hot. You do have the top and the bottom part that you can choose from. I started off in the top, but it got a little too hot for me, and you can decide if you can take that for 3.5 hours, or you might want to go downstairs like I did. Now you're going to see all the little pit stops, but basically it brings people in, or you can get off depending on how much you paid for your ticket. I paid all the way to go and to come back till the end, and to come back obviously to the end. Discover the most stunning and unique underwater sceneries on the Costa Brava and their native wildlife thanks to the boat's glass bottom. This is considered the best trimaran. We ended up at Tusamar, which is the last pit stop, and you have 4 hours there to have a little walk, check the shops, shopping, food. We went to an amazing restaurant. I'll leave the name down below because it was really amazing experience to have lunch there. It was the cutest little town and I really enjoyed that. I'm gonna tell you right now, we paid for 2 people to go and come back from the one end to another, and to come back obviously 70 euros with 30 cents. Now this had a 5% discount just because we bought it online. Now if you're a resident by any chance, you have 25% discount, but you have to make sure you show that you're a resident here. If not, it's okay, you can buy them online, but make sure you can also actually buy them on board, but make sure to check if there's availability, because you might risk if it's a high season to not get on board. And remember, cash only, guys. So I hope you like this video. I hope you can give it a big thumbs up, but mostly subscribe down below. I want to get to 1,000 subscribers by October. I know we can make it there, and please, your help is so much appreciated. If you guys like this video, share it, and I'll leave every single detail on the description down below for you to check out. And if you want to know a little more information about this boat, it's all gonna be there. So I invite you again to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Love you guys.